Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility and IVF specialist. Few days ago, we met a couple. Their all reports were normal, semen was normal, AMH was normal, and they have done HSG, which showed that both the tubes were open. Then the lady asked, "Doctor, are my tubes okay?" We have given a peculiar reply. Then the lady got surprised. What reply did we give? We said that we know that your tubes are open, but we don't know whether your tubes will function properly, or that is where tubes are actually okay or not. Then she got astonished. She asked, "Doctor, why you are telling this?" We said, remember, what is the function of the tube? Inside the tubes, eggs and sperms are going and they meet to form the embryo. What we check whether tubes are open or not, whether tubes will be able to allow the transport of sperms or eggs. But we will never be able to know whether the tubes will allow formation of embryo, that is fertilization. That is, we don't know whether this tube will allow sperms and eggs to meet to form the embryo. There is no test by which we will know whether these tubes will function properly or not. Of course, we can bypass the function of the tubes by IVF. That is, in the laboratory, we replace the function of the tubes. That is, in the laboratory, we form the embryos by meeting the eggs and tubes, and then we transfer the embryos inside the uterus, inside the womb. But that does not mean that just to see whether your tubes are okay or just to bypass your tube function, we'll do IVF. There is no test by which we'll be able to test whether your tubes will function or not. Remember, probably you have seen from our different videos, be it HSG, be it HycoC, SIS or SSG, or be it laparoscopy, by all tests will say whether tubes are open or not. But remember, if the tests are suggesting that tubes are blocked, but that does not mean that actually tubes are blocked, because sometimes these tests can give some false positive results. That is, when we are testing the tubes, the muscles of the tubes can contract. That is, they can undergo something called spasm, and it can lead to the impression of false block. Therefore, it's very difficult to understand whether tubes will function properly or not. Therefore, you have to understand, we'll be able to say whether tubes are open or not, but we can never be able to say whether your tubes will function properly or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further queries, please don't hesitate to contact us through our Facebook page or YouTube channel.